Hey guys, today we've been painting Aeris the Elf Ranger from the Reaper Bones miniatures line to core level, using olive green, fire orange, earth brown and fair skin. Open it up, make sure you recycle your packaging. First things first, take a sharp scalpel and trim the casting lines from the model. Take care with this step and make sure you always cut away from yourself. Finish off any areas you may have cut flat with a file. Start by base coating the whole model with olive green. I've used my airbrush for this, but you can do it by hand. It's important not to use spray primers on this model as it can damage the plastic. Take olive green and earth brown and mix them 50-50 on your palette with some water until they're the consistency of milk. This wants to be a fairly thick wash. Just brush it gently over the entire model. Grab a cup of tea while you wait half an hour or so for it to dry. Once it's fully dried, use some earth brown to base coat her boots, fan braces, bow, the trim on her cloak and her base. Next we'll take fair skin and give her 2 thin coats over any flesh areas of the model, in this case just her face and hands, but don't forget her ears poking through her hair. When that's dry, use fire orange to paint her hair. Again, you'll need 2 thin coats at this stage. Now we need to make a wash of earth brown to a thinner consistency than the last one, and wash this over her skin and hair, allowing it to settle in the recesses. Next we'll do some layers. Use olive green to layer up her green clothing, leaving the darker wash in the recesses like the folds of her cloak and the gaps in her armour. Layer up her face and hands with fair skin, leaving the brown wash around the eyes, between her fingers, etc. Finally, finish off with fire orange and paint the locks of her hair, leaving the brown wash in between. And with that, the model is done. Don't forget to like and subscribe, check out our other videos, and we shall see you soon.